A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are going to start lesson number 14, measurement chapter. In this module, student, you learn how to write the word problem in measurement chapter. So let's start with it. Firstly, we do first word problem because first one is already done. So we will start from the second one. So first is this one. A pack of juice contain 2 liter 200 milliliter of juice. Clear? So it's a liter word is there. Whenever the liter word is written or milliliter word is written, you always start the statement from quantity of. Means we are talking about juice over here. So you write quantity of juice in one pack. A means one pack. So quantity of juice in one pack is 2 liter 200 milliliter. So liter and milliliter you will write up. And Rahul drank. What did Rahul drank? Juice. So juice is also in milliliter. So statement will be quantity of juice Rahul drank. So in milliliter you write 750 and in place of liter 0 will come. Now you have to find juice left in the pack. Left means what do you do? Minus. I am explaining you this thing how to do activity 7 also, because in that only you have to do add and subtract. So see how you do subtract. When first number is given, you write first number firstly and the second number you write in second line. So this thing you keep in mind. It should have the milliliter unit, so you have to write this thing in milliliter only. Then now see, from 0 you can easily minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, but from 0 you can't minus 5. So you take 1 from 2 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now this 1 is smaller than 7. What you do? You take from 2. This 2 become 1 and this 1 become 11. So 11 minus 7 is 40. Means 11 minus 7 is 4. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So answer is quantity of juice left in the pack is 1 liter 450 milliliter. Clear? Now we do question number 3. My mother purchased 2 kg. Kg word is there. Whenever there is kg or gram word is there, it means you can start the statement like this manner, weight of a potato. That is also correct. Clear? But I have written like this manner, potatoes my mother bought, because we are talking about potatoes. So you can start a statement like this manner also. Potatoes my mother bought is equals to 2 kg 400 gram. Then 1 kg 550 gram tomato she bought. So you write tomato my mother bought is 1. You will write down of kg. 550 you write down of gram. Then how much vegetable did she buy in total? Total means what do you have to do here? Plus. So you write vegetable bought by my mother. You have to do plus over here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer will be hence vegetable bought by my mother is 3 kg 950 gram. Clear? Now we do question 4. A shopkeeper bought. A shopkeeper bought apple. So you can start a statement from apple also. Clear? So apples a shopkeeper bought is 9 kg 500 gram. Then you have to write he sold. What he sold? Apples. So statement will be start. Mean you have to write the firstly the keyword about which one you are talking about. Here we are talking about apples. So statement will be start from apples only. Apple he sold is 4 kg 750 gram. After that you have to find left. Left means what? Minus. Apple left with him. 0 minus 0 is 0. From 0 you can't minus 5. So you take from 5 and this 5 becomes 14. So this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 14 minus 7 is 7. How? Because I have taken from this 9. And this 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So here you write a hence line. Hence apple left with him is 4 kg 750 gram. Now we do question number 5. G traveled. Kilometer word is there. Whenever there is a kilometer word, your statement will be start from distance. So you write distance traveled by car is 5 kilometer 250 meter. Then distance traveled by bus 3 kilometer 450. Then walk. Walk means on foot. So you write distance travel on foot. It is having only meter word, not a kilometer. It means in place of kilometer 0 come and in meter 600 will come. Now you have to find how much distance did he travel in all. All means what? Plus. So you plus them. Total distance travel is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0. It will be 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 will come here, 1 will go here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 will come here, 1 will go up. Clear? Then 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer will be total distance travel is 9 kilometer 300 meter. Clear? Now we do sixth question. In this, there is a given Ritu. Ritu is a girl who bought 32 meter of red ribbon. Clear? So meter word is there. So whenever there is a meter word, you can start the statement from length of a ribbon. Ritu bought. But if I add these keywords, then my statement will be big. If you want to write that one, it's up to you. It's also correct. So you write ribbon. We are talking about ribbon. Ribbon who bought? Ritu bought. So you write ribbon Ritu bought. That is 32 meter. So you write meter and centimeter both. And in meter you write 32 and centimeter is not given. So you write 0, 0. Then she used. What she used? Ribbon. So you write ribbon she used. How much? 18 meter 75 centimeter in her dress. So 18 meter will come down of meter and 75 will come down of centimeter. Clear? Then how much ribbon left? Left means what? You have to do minus. So you write ribbon left with her. Then you have to do minus. These two are 0. So what do? You take from meter. So when these two give to this one 0, it becomes 10, and this 10 will give to this one 0, it becomes 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5. From 9, if you minus 7, answer will come 2. Then it becomes 1. So you borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is, hence ribbon left with her is 13 meter 25 centimeter. Clear? Now we do question 7. Question number 7 is a tricky question, but it's easy. The weight of watermelon is given. That is means is equals to 3 kg 525 gram. You write weight of means one watermelon is equals to 3. 3 you write down of kg, 525 down of gram. Clear? Then they said, and the weight of papaya, you write weight of one papaya is equals to 2 kg, means 2 down of kg, 750 down of gram. Clear? Then you tell which fruit is heavier. You can see weight of watermelon is more than papaya. So you write watermelon is heavier than papaya. They ask you by how much? By how much? How you find by how much? By minus. So what do? You minus them. 5 minus 0 is 5. From 2 you can minus 5? No. What do? You take from 5. This 5 becomes 14 and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now this 4 you will take 1 from 3 and it becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. From 2 you minus 2, answer is 0. So there will be 775 gram only. So hence line you write, hence line is the last line. Hence watermelon is heavier than papaya by 775 gram. Clear, student? Now for you, activity 7 question 1 and 2 is a homework. In that what you have to do, firstly you write full number, after that you write second number in second line. If it is of plus, then do plus. If it is of minus, then you do minus. These questions are same like the word problem which you have done today. In word problem you understand, if the kg word is there, then you have to start the statement from weight. If meter word is there or centimeter word is there, you have to start the statement from length. If there is a liter word is there, you have to start the statement from quantity. If there is a kilometer word is there, so it means you have to start the statement from distance traveled. Okay students, so I hope you understand today's lecture and able to do this given you. So thank you and have a nice day all of you.